puking on the run. He swears at everyone. He's just a lousy, no-good boozer, another welfare loser. Plus his wife is just a big fat whore, and his son is rotten to the core. Oh, why do they all stay together on Kevin Spencer?
You've been doing some great work, Rick. We just need one more Kevin Spencer script to wrap up the season. I do it myself, but as you know, I have to go to this lake this weekend for my important charity work at Camp Hoosier Daddy. Another counseling getaway in the woods. Me and a bunch of runaway teen girls. I don't think people appreciate what it takes to get a series off the ground. Yep, smell you later.
Hey, pick that up! Now get out of here! Shoo! 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 Lousy writers. God, I'm dying! Somebody help me!
Yes, whenever you see people screaming and on fire, it can only mean one thing. The air show's in town. Do you have a ticket? Thrill to the aerial antics of stunt-starved madmen out to meet death on their own terms at a public airport.
Hey, I was thinking we should go to the air show. You got any money?
No.
Well, fuck that then.
Hey, I've been wondering about something. How come you never trim your frickin' nose hairs? It's getting pretty disgusting.
It's just a little bit of hair.
A little bit of hair? It's a goddamn fire hazard. Looks like a colony of daddy longlegs is nesting in your forehead.
It ain't that bad.
Okay, it's not as bad as your freaking ears. Hey, heads up. Here comes that writer guy who keeps hanging around.
Yeah, it's weird. It's like he's got no friends or something.
I think he's crazy. Just be nice in case he goes nuts.
Hey guys, how's it going? Been up to anything interesting lately?
No! Why are you always hanging around us all the time for? And you're always asking personal questions and shit. It's like you're a narc or something.
Percy!
So, why do you guys always drink at this same place?
Call me nostalgic, but I always liked drinking in the same tavern where I was conceived. What's with the bag of beef, boy? Don't suppose you found your mama a nice tube steak while you were out there?
Good one, Ma. Kevin reminded the old man that this was the day he'd promised to help him rob a construction site. Hey, that's right. We were going to B&E that new high-rise they're building.
You're doing that now?
Just as soon as the security guard comes in for a beer. Like he does at 3 o'clock every day. Huh? I've been thinking.
Well, it's almost 3 now. Whoa, sure enough, there he is. Ooh, he looks like a handful. You go on and I'll keep him distracted for you.
Hey, don't go tearing one off with him.
If I ever get a reward for all the nice stuff I done for you, they'll make me a frickin' saint.
Yeah, and if shit were ice cream, I'd have dessert for everybody. But it ain't, so you might as well just eat shit. Frank, I could really use a lighter.
I got one.
Huh? Oh, thanks, Nick. You might as well come too. Help carry all the shit we're gonna steal.
Sure. Could you just say that last shit was ice cream part one more time, please?
Work shut down for the long weekend. Let's deal with the guard dogs. That's right, puppies. That food'll keep you busy for a while. Man, I love robbing construction sites. I'm gonna get some new power tools and fire extinguishers and porno calendars. Hey, check this out. Bet you this ladder goes up the elevator shaft to every floor. Probably some good shit up there.
Listen, I'm kinda scared of heights here. What's the holdup?
I'm scared of heights, too. That's why I'm having a few swigs to calm my nerves. Oh, yeah. Nice and calm. We're halfway there. Only 24 is left. Woo! Woo!
Falls down elevator shaft. Might work.
God damn it, hurry up and lower the rope.
Oh, this is gold!
God damn it, I need a knife.
Here, I got one.
Cut the rope quick. Unfortunately, Kevin accidentally cut the wrong rope, allowing a counterweight to fire Percy up the shaft like a rocket. Then Kevin wondered if it was really an accident, and then he laughed. Shit! Oh, God damn it! Shit! Hey, Jimmy. I want to pawn these here guard dogs I've been looking after for a friend. He got his head blown off in the Salvation Army.
No live merchandise, Spencer. And besides, I'm going out of business.
What? You can't go out of business. You still got half my stuff. I need time to buy it back.
Sorry, Spencer. Greener pastures, 45, 46, 47, 48.
Come on, Jimmy. I could use a break here. Geez, I could really make some money right now. If only I had a .32 caliber revolver.
Hey, here, I got one.
Huh? Oh, thanks, Vic. Hey, Jimmy. I'd like to pawn this handgun. How much?
I told you, I'm not accepting any new merchandise.
Hey, ain't that a picture of your sister? Whatever happened to her?
Oh, she got too old to be a stripper no more. Last I heard, she was roaming the highways, turning truck stop tricks while strung out on nasal mist. Oh, God, the poor thing.
Yeah. Everybody loves a happy ending. So how much for the gun already?
I'll give you 50. I just remembered a job that needs doing around here.
All right, we got enough for the air show and some scratch for brewskis. Let's party.
Oh, that was my mom's snub nose.
Woo-wee! He's going to the air show. What the fuck is going on here?
I told you I'd keep him distracted for you. Well, I kept him plenty distracted.
Yeah, well, if you can close your legs for 5 seconds, I got us some money. Almost got me killed.
You're getting too old, Percy. It's getting so the only stealing you can do is from the internet.
Yeah, that downloading music's great. It's like shoplifting without ever leaving your house. How convenient is that?
Well, if we're going to the air show tomorrow, I better start sleeping it off now.
Me too. You arseholes don't turn that TV up too loud.
Yeah, we don't want your racket disturbing us while we're sleeping.
I'll show you who's better than some security guard.
Oh, yeah! Freak me good, baby! Oh, God! Yeah, righteous!
I'll be honest with you, kid. I've been following your family around stealing ideas and making a lot of money on TV shows, but I'm on a tight deadline here and I got nothing.
Kevin told the voyeuristic arsehole that he didn't care where he stole his ideas. Then he decided to play some video games.
This clue is for you, so sit and stew. Why don't you help out that writer son of a bitch? Then maybe you can get some of your writing on television. How fucked up would that be?
What's that friggin' racket?
Because of the new high-rise, they're directing the freeway through your neighborhood. City Hall figures you're poor, so you probably won't kick up a fuss.
How about I kick up your fuss, you motherfucking son of a... Holy shit! Jesus, that fucking car nearly killed me.
Yeah, strange thing about that, some of the city planners figured this new route would make your house a magnet for collisions. You must have a lot of enemies downtown, mister.
That fucking high-rise?
It says, fucker!
Remember, Mr. Lawrence, you promised you'd show us the cockpit.
Now, girls, I told you I could only show you the cockpit one at a time, and... Hey, it's Rick, one of my writers. How's that deadline looking, buddy?
Yeah, it'll be awesome, man.
Excellent. Actually, you're really helping me out here. Can you believe I'm saddled looking after all these teen girls? For crying out loud, they're barely the age of consent.
Yeah, that's pretty rough, dude.
Shouldn't complain, I guess. If I paid these lousy parking tickets, they wouldn't have me strapped with this community service.
Yeah, you're a real saint, man.
Sorry to cut this short, but I promised the girls I was going to show them the hottest and most expensive plane in the air show. Mine. What? Not another tickle fight. Stop it. Who's that guy?
I work for him. He's real nice.
Jobs are for assholes. Still, I'd like to fly a few of those chicks on a round trip to New Pork City. Get it, Ma, New Pork?
This wind tunnel is used to test all types of futuristic aircraft and can be used to generate wind forces in excess of 700 miles per hour. Didn't you come in here with someone else? A guy with a notepad?
Holy Christ, look at that fucking artillery.
Actually, it's air cavalry, sir. You sound like a man who knows about weapons.
I've knocked a few cops on the head.
This flying attack platform is the latest available. The only one better is the one America's still using. I'd take you up for a test flight, but you'd have to be a head of state.
I am a head of state. I'm, Senior Suarez. We rule Australia with an iron fist.
Oh, well, in that case, please climb aboard. As you can see, this weapon can digitally target any bogey in a 360-mile radius.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Where's the DVD player? Hey, check it out, boy. It's that friggin' high ride.
All right, kid, I'll read your writing, but then you've got to help me with an ending for my script. You sure got a lot of fucked up revenge fantasies, kid. And none of them are particularly original. I need something that smacks of reality, man.
Kevin said if he wanted reality, he could come help him break into Jimmy's pawn shop later, but only if he promised to sign his co-op student papers.
Something ain't right here, boy. Jimmy's door shouldn't be open at this time of night.
Holy shit, Jimmy's offed himself! Hey, I think your old man's outside.
Come on, boy, get out of there before you draw attention to yourself. We're all going back to the airport and take us a little ride in that flying fortress. First, we gotta get rid of the rent-a-cops.
Look, guys, this can't work. I mean, for one thing, there's no way they'd have this thing armed and ready to drop ordnance at an air show.
Are you the scriptwriter?
Well, yeah, I guess.
So just write the script like we found it friggin' loaded. Who the fuck cares at this point?
All right. But it's all suspiciously convenient.
I owe you a beer. Fire away, boy. Okay, that was the warm-up shot. Let's try this again. What's your goddamn problem, numbnut? Would you like a trail of breadcrumbs to follow? Ah, fuck, my nose hairs!
Hey, it's the animators. Great to see you guys. You've been doing some nice work there.
You don't remember any of our names, do you?
Of course I do. You're the, no, I don't really.
Rick Callbars, Mr. Lawrence is ready to meet with you. Please proceed to the delousing chamber.
I was thinking it would really help morale if we had a Tex-Mex day here at the office. Wear this sombrero around for a while, and I think you'll see a few more smiles in the hallways.
Thanks, Greg.
Hey, Rick, I just finished reading your script, and it's great.
Thanks, man.
But I'm afraid I can't use it.
You can't?
See, I have this other script here from one of the girls at Camp Who's Your Daddy, and, well, she's really showing some promise, so I've decided to mentor her script through production.
But dude, I worked really hard.
I was worried you might react this way, but look at it from my angle. Considering you're suspected in a capital crime, I think I'm being pretty good about the whole thing. Tell you what, just give her script a chance. Read it, and you'll see it has a modern flavor that teens are really gonna dial into.
Well, I don't know, man. I mean, I'd feel better if you talked about this with my new agent.
Fair enough.
Wait a minute. He's right. This script is brilliant. Yes, it's the new Kevin Spencer Show, written by Candace and starring Candace. Today, Kevin Spencer shows the real, raw side of today's youth.
Hey, girls. I'm your new guidance counselor, Percy. I thought we could talk about your, feelings.
Featuring the new breakthrough star, Candace.
Everybody look at me!
Fuck this shit. See you later, hula horse. How much for a good time in the car?
Depends where it's going.
I thought I'd leave some rotten food and dead shit around that high-rise. That way when they finish the building, the whole place will smell rotten. No one will want to live there.
That'll show 'em baby you's brilliant.
Fucking right. And then when I'm done that, we'll get right wasted. And we can look for speed traps on the Hershey Highway.
Amen to that.
And then we'll get some smoke.
Okay, it's time for another Laugh Out Loud episode of Percy Spencer Cartoon Funnies.
This is the part of the show where I get to see anything I like. Well, I always wanted to see a roller coaster accident. What the fuck? No, not with me in it. I just wanted to see it. Okay, so that one didn't work out so good. So I'm trying again. 3 words says it all. Blowjob mishap.
Oh, Annie. Percy don't know what he's missing.
No more time. How about some people fucking?
There's love in the air. There's love everywhere. There's always something special when love is in your soul. 'Cause love will conquer all.
Yeah. Everybody loves a happy ending.